In this video, I'm going to go through foot and ankle palpation for therapists so you can learn what you should be feeling for and why you should be feeling for it. So for foot and ankle palpation, we can generally palpate through the foot and ankle for temperature, swelling, redness and heat. We can do a squeeze test across the metatarsal heads. So coming across and squeezing through the metatarsal heads will be a good test for where you may feel there's rheumatological conditions and there might be swelling through the joints of the toes. We can then palpate the tarsal bones up their length. Okay, so we can palpate the dorsiflexes of the ankle. So if we just come laterally to the tibia, see through here, then we can palpate through those ankle dorsiflexes. Also, if we come to the tibia and we come medially and you slide off the tibia, you can feel through the plantar flexors of the foot, so soleus and tib post through here. You can also feel the tibia itself. So if we feel down through the tibia bone and we're looking for pinpoint tenderness here, if you do find a point that's really tender, you can do a tap test onto that point to see whether there's any sort of stress fracture. We can palpate around the subtalar joint, both medially and laterally. And what you'll feel with this is you'll feel the synovium will be thickened in patients who have OA and also enlarged. Our dorsalis pedis pulse can be found between the first and second toe at the level of the fifth styloid over the second and third cuneiform bones. The posterior tibial post can also be found medially to the medial malleolus and slightly posterior to that. You can palpate the peronei muscles laterally. And we can also palpate the tubercle at the fifth metatarsal head for stress fractures. You can palpate the lateral malleolus, also feeling for the fibula bone laterally to see if there's any fractures up the site of the bone. We can feel for the anterior-talar fibular ligament, the calcaneo-fibular ligament, and the posterior tibiofibular ligament. Medially, we can feel for the medial malleolus and we can feel up the tibia. We can feel just behind the malleoli, and this is where you might feel some tenderness in tib posterior. Again, we can palpate through the medial aspect of the tibia. I can also palpate the navicular bone, which is a bump on the inner side of the foot. And this is where the tib post comes down and then attaches into. So this is your navicular bone. It's a prominent bone that you can feel medially on this side of the foot. And the deltoid ligament is going to be the ligament if you have high impact inversion injuries or eversion injuries where the foot's being everted, then you may find some tenderness on palpation of that deltoid ligament, and that's just in this general area near the medial malleolus. Posteriorly, we can just have a feel through the gastrocs, through the gastroc heads, down through the calf belly, and we can feel into the Achilles tendon at the posterior aspect of the heel. We can feel right down into the fat pad. And we can feel for the medial calcaneal tubercle, which is found from the heel. You come down into that medial aspect and you'll feel a bony prominence. And this is where the plantar fascia originates. You'll often have tenderness through here. We can feel through the plantar fascia of the foot as well, down into the ball of the foot. Any Morton's neuroma you might want to feel through here as well. Obviously, you want to check for DVTs in the calf as well. If you feel this being red, swollen and extremely firm, then that would be a question mark over DVT. With the Achilles, we want to palpate both medially of the Achilles and also laterally in the Achilles. So we want to palpate the Achilles from both its lateral aspect and its medial aspect, as well as through the Achilles itself, down into its insertion point into the calcaneus. If you're a physio or therapist looking to get better, then press the subscribe button, click the bell icon, and that way you'll see all our current videos that are coming out, and they're all designed around helping you to get better. If you enjoyed this video, then click this one here because you are going to love it.